What's going on, guys? It's Cameron and welcome to another Westin Automotive installation video. Today we're going to be installing part number 51-115. This is going to be our Overland cargo rack for the 2021 Toyota Tacoma short bed. So this is everything that comes in the kit, including your hardware and instructions. The tools you're going to need to get this installed are going to be a ratchet and 13mm socket, a 13mm wrench, a set of Allen wrenches, and a torque wrench to get everything tightened up at the end. So let's go ahead and take these parts over to the truck and get them installed. All right, so for the first step in installation, we're going to take our driver's side front upright, our passenger side front upright, and our front spanner bar, and we're going to assemble them all together using the M10 hardware that's included in your kit. You're going to take the bar, take your upright and slide it into the front two mounting holes. You're going to take your bolt plate and loosely attach the hardware for now. All right, so now that we've got the front bar loosely assembled, we can now go ahead and install it on the truck. All right, guys, so before we can install the front crossbar on the vehicle, we actually have to remove these caps that are on the factory rail so we can install the bolt plates to mount it. These are pretty simple to come out. You just press this little button here, and they pop out just like that. Same here on this side. We'll do that, remove that there. So for each side, you're going to need 2 bolt plates, just like that. Just like that. And do it on this side as well. All right, now we can go ahead and grab the front crossbar and get it installed on the truck. All right, so now that we got the bolt plates installed in the bed rails, we went ahead and set the front cross rail onto the bed and aligned the bolts. So now we can go ahead and attach the front cross rail to those bolts. All right, so now we went ahead and took the front crossbar and laid it on top of the bed here. With the previously installed bolt plates, we can then attach the front crossbar using the serrated flange nuts that are included in your kit. And with everything else, let's go ahead and leave these loosely attached for now until we get everything finally installed. All right, now we can go ahead and assemble the rear cross rail and do everything again. All right, so now we went ahead and assembled the rear cross rail, and we're going to install this the exact same way that we installed the front cross rail, using the bolt plates in the rail and the serrated flange nuts. And do not fully tighten everything at this time so you can still have your adjustment. Once that's in, then we'll go ahead and install our top rails. All right, so to get the top rails mounted on the Overland rack here, we just need to go ahead and take the top rail and align it to the mounting hole you prefer. Now, we do have different mounting holes up and down here, so you can kind of adjust the width of these top rails depending on what it is you're going to be mounting on top, whether it be a tent, a spare tire, or anything like that. So I'm going to choose the 2 most widest locations on here, but again, you can pick any of these that fit your needs. And just go ahead and loosely attach it with the hardware included in your kit. All right, so now that we have the rest of the rack on the truck bed, it's time to install the side rails. So these are just going to go ahead and fit right here in between the 2 uprights, and then loosely attach them with the hardware that's included in the kit. All right, so now we went ahead and got the side rails mounted on the driver and passenger side. So once that's done, you can kind of align and adjust the rack as you see fit, and then tighten all the hardware at this time. I'm going to go ahead and use my power drill to zip down all the bolts, but if you're using hand tools, those will obviously work just fine too. All right, guys, so once you have all the hardware snugged up, now an important part is to go through and make sure you torque all the hardware. So all the M8 fasteners are going to get torqued to 15 to 18 foot-pounds, and all the M10 fasteners are going to get torqued to 35 to 40 foot-pounds. So with that, the installation is complete. For any more information about this product or any of our other products, go ahead and visit westinautomotive.com.